Welcome again to one more report from Hospital Adventista Valle de Ángeles. Today, we will be presenting the construction projects that have been carried out both at our headquarters in Valle de Ángeles and at our headquarters in Tegucigalpa during the first semester of 2001 and the projects that are close to being held in the second semester of the same. Despite the challenges that the year 2020 left, God allowed us to move forward to fulfill our responsibility to provide health services of excellence to our community and provide support to those most in need. And despite the economic difficulties due to the pandemic, we were able to give start to 2021 with different projects to improve our facilities and at the same time improve the quality of our services. Valle de Ángeles projects. The electrical system renovation project allowed us to guarantee a stable and safe energy flow within the hospital facilities for a better service and care of our equipment. With this new system, we have the certainty that when a failure occurs, external electrical power plant of the hospital reactivates the system in just 12 seconds. The project was carried out in 15 days during the month of March and April with the help of a team of 9 volunteers from Loma Linda University, AHI. With this project, the following were completed: the grounding system, the relocation of the automatic transfer, and installation of a heavy main safety switch to cut off the power of the automatic transfer, the installation of a new safety switch to cut off the power of the regulator, the installation of a 3-phase voltage regulator to the general system, the complete change of main panels, the installation of an emergency circuit panel with automatic transfer, the installation of a pre-connection for the solar energy system, and the cleaning and maintenance of existing panels. Pending maintenance activities such as details of care and preparation for future projects related to the electrical installation. Remodeling of the emergency area. Phase 1. Construction of a tomography area. The remodeling project of the emergency area is divided into 3 phases. The construction of a tomography area at our headquarters represents a great advance in our development as an institution. The project began in December 2020 and went through different phases. The first was the request of the tomograph, that was a donation by Adventist Health. The second was the construction of the area where the tomograph would be located, following all the corresponding legal and environmental regulations. The third was the primary installation of the tomograph in the month of April. Phase 2. Remodeling of the kitchen and external parking areas. The emergency room is located next to the kitchen and cafeteria area. In this phase, the kitchen area will be rearranged more efficiently in order to make space available for expansion from the emergency room. A main access area and a hydraulic concrete parking lot will be built simultaneously. Phase 3. Remodeling of the emergency room. The final phase of this project consists of the expansion and remodeling of the current emergency room. At the end of this stage, the room will have capacity for 10 beds, 2 areas of procedure, a reception area, and the customer service, a payment area, and a doctor's office. With the construction of the operating room for outpatient surgery, we will be able to expand the services offered at our headquarters in Tegucigalpa, performing procedures such as gastroscopy and colonoscopy, taking biopsies, and minor surgeries such as excisions of lipomas, cysts, sternal hemorrhoids, vasectomy, circumcision, orchidopexy, umbilical hernia, uterine cartilage, amputation of supranumerary fingers, removal of orthopedic nails, as well as otolaryngology, dermatology, ophthalmology surgeries, among other medical specialties. This new space has an area of 344.4451 square feet, 33 square meters, with where so far we have available a C-arm and anesthesia machine, an endoscopic tower, and soon an arthroscopy tower, which that we are already request. In addition, this new area has a recovery room with a capacity of 2 hospital beds and is expected to start operating at the beginning of July 2021. Short-term projects. Our vision of growth and expansion continues. as well as the plans to improve our facilities and service. The following projects to be developed and that will allow us to continue improving are the following. In Valle de Ángeles, projects of the external reception area inpatient department. With this project, we will be able to guarantee satisfactory attention to the relatives of our inpatients in a space of 1,184.030 square feet, 110 square meters, which will be comfortable and safe for visits, giving patients the opportunity to interact with their loved ones while respecting biosecurity measures. Project of reconstructing and reorganization of the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. The objective of this project is to maximize our capacity to care for both internal and external patients, diversify our services by improving equipment and facilities, as well as updating and training of the personnel of the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. Project of reconstructing and reorganization of the kitchen area. With this project, we will be able to streamline the processes of the food service for patients and the food service for external customers, improving the standards of preparation and safety. Project for the construction of a new water tank. With this project, we will guarantee an uninterrupted flow of water to our facilities, and with its construction, we will be able to start the reconditioning of the tank that currently exists, resulting in a double water reserve. In Tegucigalpa, project of the installation of imaging equipment in the clinic. With the project to install a mammogram and a stationary X-ray machine in the clinic, we will be able to expand our service offer in Tegucigalpa. In this way, we conclude our report, without first thanking each of our allies deeply for their support in the process of continuous improvement, since each project carried out is one more step closer to be the hospital we want to be. Hospital Adventista Valle de Ángeles, Total Health and Wellness.